Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see, and I pretty much blame myself for that, but we'll get into that in a later video. I know I have been missing MIA, but I am back and better like never before. Anyway, in today's video we are going to be doing another natural hairstyle. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Put your post notification bells on so you all are notified every time I do an upload. I do mostly natural hair videos, but there are more videos to come, different ideas, just more to come. I gotta make up for the time that I've missed, you guys. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do a twist and curl. I'm saying attempting because it did not turn out the way that I wanted it to. But I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So we're going to get right into the hair tutorial. My hair is already freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and detangled. I've actually sectioned my hair off into multiple sections already, because if you don't know, if you're natural, you have to use sections when it comes to styling your hair. It is a no-go. It is a no-no when it comes to styling natural hair without doing it in sections. Anyway, we are going to begin to detangle, apply our product, and then twist our hair. After twisting our hair, we are going to add a perm rod at the end of our hair, and that's where we get the name twist and curl from. As you all can tell, I am going to be using this detangling brush quite a lot throughout this hair tutorial, but it is pretty much repetitive. You guys know how to twist your hair. At least I think you guys know how to. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how I twist my hair, because I do remember as a little girl, my mom was a beautician, and the way I twist my hair is not the way that she twisted my hair when I was a little girl. This is pretty much considered like a rope twist, but it is a two-strand twist. Anyway, we're going to get back into styling the hair. Basically going to go in with our detangler, and then I'm going to go in with this leave-in. It's not actual leave-in, it's like a spray conditioner by Luster's Pink. I've mentioned this product on my channel multiple times. If you all have not jumped on the bandwagon for this product, I don't know where y'all been at. And then the second product I am going to be using is this twist and style cream by Eden's Bodyworks. I believe that's the name of it. This cream alone is bomb.com. I can already tell where I messed up at, but you guys, like I said, can be the judge of that. Anyway, we are going to detangle as we twist. We want to keep the strands pretty much smooth, and at the ends of that, I am going to be applying a little gel so that it wraps around the perm rod neatly. As y'all know, natural hairs can be quite a bit frizzy, and the ends can be very curly. So I do apply gel to make sure that that straightens out on that perm rod when it dries. And pretty much for the rest of the video, it's going to be very repetitive. So I'm going to let the music play, and I'll be back in a second. last twist and our very last perm rod set. This is pretty much how it looks. I don't know how many perm rods or twists I have in my head, but it's quite a bit. I tried to use medium sections, but this is what I came up with. I'm gonna give you guys an up close view. It looked very moisturized, very juicy, very puffy. Anyway, this is the following day. I allowed my hair to dry overnight, and I put a hair scrunchie on top of the hair just so that the rollers wouldn't fall on my face. Anyway, I'm going in with this African Pride hair oil. I forgot to take the headband off, but I'm going in with this African Pride hair oil that I put into this bottle to oil the scalp. As y'all know, natural hair is just naturally dry. So I'm gonna go in and massage that in. Make sure I get my edges really good. And then we are going to begin to take down these perm rods. As you all notice, I'm going to unravel them in the direction that I twisted them. And yeah, we have quickly done that. And now we're going to go in and untwist. Now, as you guys can tell, I began to untwist and I can already see the definition. But where I'm going to mess up at, and you guys might even consider that, it's messing up, is this part right here. When I began to separate the twist. If you all notice, it just looks very puffy and very pretty to me. The definition was there, but the more I played around with it, the more I disliked it. I was not going for a curly fro. I was pretty much going for a twist and curl, and you can barely see that it's twist and curl, but look at that definition, guys. I had to zoom in on that definition for you all. But I'm going in on the opposite side and separating each twist. But like I mentioned, the more I separated it, the more it frizzed, the more it lost definition. But in a way, it still came out kind of cute. It wasn't what I was going for, but it is what it is. Natural hair is trial and error. And to be honest, my hair was fresh and clean, and that's all that really mattered to me. So if you all have any suggestions or tips or comments about where I went wrong, if you liked it, if you disliked it, leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. If you guys would have tried different products, if you just what you would have done differently, or if you would have not changed anything at all, let me know. But me, as being natural for 6 years, I do love big hair. And what I decided to do was sleep on it, figure out if I really, wanted to wear this style out. And I decided that I did. Sorry for that. I decided that I did. I gelled down those edges. I put it into a high puff. And, this is like one of the best feelings in the world to take down that high puff. And then we're just going to go back in and fluff out and get the hair back to the way that I liked it, big and fluffy. But if you guys enjoy this hair tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe, put on your post notification bells, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.